Hi folks, welcome back to the Carver's Wood Shop. This is Arlene. As you notice, there's a pop-up camper that was gutted out some time ago. I showed you some pictures of it last year and I didn't have time to work on it, but I bought this relatively cheap, and my idea is to use this instead of putting up a tent at any event outside for carving shows or craft shows that are outside. So my idea was to take this, and I'm in the process of continuing to gut it out. The back end is rotted out a bit. I'll put a new piece of plank, piece of wood down there. I'm taking all these little strips of wood off with a drill bit that didn't fit. I had to make it fit with a grinder. It's a special type of bit, so I just kind of made one on my own. Up there you can tell it's kind of rotted up there. I need to lift the roof off and put a new plank all the way across, and the same thing on this corner up here, but it lifts up pretty nice. I can actually go in it here. I'll show you here. And this is what it would look like from the inside, which I think would work really well. I'm next to the road, that's what you're hearing, all the noise. But the roof is pretty good. Everything's been gutted out of here. This is one area I'm going to fix. It goes out to the outside. That one corner came apart a little bit, but the lighting and everything works. My plan is to put shelving all the way around, about maybe 2 feet or 18 inches across, all the way around, so I can display things, and then put just enough of I'm going to put a new flooring in. Once this floor is taken apart and I get all these little planks out, like this here, that's what I'm removing right now. Once I get all those planks removed, I'm going to go ahead and maybe put a new flooring in here. We'll see how the flooring looks once I'm done and it's scrubbed up a little bit. But all those little planks are coming off the side. I got that corner done there. All those little things have to come off. Once I'm done, I'll put a nice little 18-inch shelving all the way around. So when I'm done with a show and I've got to keep it overnight instead of a tent, which they are a pain in the butt to put up sometimes, and they blow apart, all I do is lower it and lock it. Put everything, and the shelves are going to be removable. You can put it up on top of that 18-inch shelf, and I'll show you the progress as I go. Let me show you something else here. Let me just hop off of here. I'm going to get rid of that thing right there, and I'm going to put my name up on the top, Carver's Wood Shop, on the top of the camper. I think this is a 10 by 8, so that should fit in a 10 by 10 spot. I usually get 2 anyway, so I'll have these 3 sides exposed for selling, and people can just walk up to it, and the shelving will go around like I said. Well, I'll show you the progress as I keep going. Right now I'm just going to clean it up, try to fix that back end first, and then fix the top here so it doesn't fall apart. It's just hanging by a thread up there, and epoxy any of the holes in the outside. I believe all the lights work so far, but this is a little different than always putting a tent up. If you go quite a ways away, I'll show you something here. You go quite a ways away, I think it'd be pretty attractive once you have it all painted and done. I'll spruce it up real nice, and I'll be able to pull it with the truck later on and see how it works out. All right, so this is my new project, my fun project, other than working on the farm here and fixing other things that need to be done. But right now I'm going to have fun this weekend working on this, and I'll show you another video how far I came with it and see what happens. All right, just a new idea. You can buy these pretty cheap anywhere, so it should be fun. All right, bye-bye.